hot in the hat. Should we take the hat off till we get in the sun?
Oh, these houses with backyards, bud.
Yeah.
Would you ever move back down here?
Nah. Probably not. Because we have this county will be in 10 years.
Yeah. 5 years.
Isn't that a shame? Cute.
This is where I usually walk at, even I'm calling you.
Isn't it pretty? I'm videotaping out the back because I can't see out the front that well. Pretty. How many miles of golf cart path do you think there are through Peachtree City?
Oh, there used to be about 50. I think now there's more than that.
Really?
Yeah, probably 60 or 70, 80. I don't know.
Really?
Close to 80. That's what I heard.
Hey Mark,
Yes, ma'am.
over on Sandy Creek Road, there's a mansion.
Yeah.
Do you know where I'm talking about?
Sandy Creek Road. Where's Sandy Creek Road?
It's off of Highway 74. I don't think he usually goes that way.
Oh, okay. He wouldn't know what we're talking about. We're just trying to figure out.
I know where. Okay. Yeah, I know where you're talking.